Today we are looking at creating interactive charts. So this is the data, and let us understand what we want to the chart to be interactive with. So if we say all, it shows us for 2021, 2022 and 2023. Okay, so if we select from here a particular year, it will display only that year. So this is exactly what we are planning to do. So they can select the year and check out what are the income, the expenses and the tax for that particular year. How to do this is what we will learn today. So, welcome to Xanthus Institute channel, and today let us start from the base. Let us learn how to do this. To do this, we have our data here, and with this data, we will create the chart. So, first and foremost, we need to understand that we need to create a drop down for this. So, here I shall put, or let's say here I shall put select the year. And here I would like to have the values 2021, 2022 and 2023. For this we can go to data and we can go for data validation, and here we will select list, and since there are only three values, we can select the three values 2021, 2022 and 2023. We will see how to add all later on. Okay, so click on OK, and you have the validation here, so you can select the year from here. So now what we want is our chart should display based on this. So the data that is shown here is not what we are going to use for displaying in the chart. So we will create another set of data, or we will select the headings, and we will create this data which we are going to use for our chart. Okay, so here we will type 2021, then we will type 2022, and we will type 2023. So this looks exactly like our previous data. Only thing, now we are going to make this dynamic, in the sense whenever they select 2021, only the data of 2021 will be displayed over here. So how to do this? For this, so is equal to if, and if K6 is equal to A12, then give the value of B12, otherwise don't give anything. So this will give us the value, but we will have to write the same equation again and again for others. To stop that and automate this, what we can do is we can first and foremost create an absolute reference of K6 by pressing the F4 key. So we will get $K $6. Now the column to remain constant and not the row. So for that, what we can do is we can press again F4 till we get $A and 12, right? So if we use this, now if we scroll across, we will be able to see that it will fill up the values. So now that we have filled up these values, we can also fill up for the rows. We just need to click and drag. So it will show us as K6, but it will show as A13 or B13, something like this. Right? So our data is now ready for 2021. Let's select 2022 and see. If we select 2022, it is showing the values only for 2022, and if we select 2023, it is showing us the values only for 2023. So like this we have made the data to be dynamic. So now we can use this data for creating the chart, but before that we need to add all, right? To add all, again keep this cell selected, go to data and go for validation, and in this validation type all first. So all comma and 2021 2022. So here now, if we select all, we do not get anything because we have not defined what we want for all. So we will make some minor changes to this in the sense that we will add another if. So we will put if, and again we will select case 6. We will make it as an absolute reference by pressing F4 is equal to within double quotes all. Okay, comma, double quotes close, comma. If this is the case, we want the value in B12. We want it to check again for the years. So now if you see, we have B12 comma and we have the second if. We close two brackets for this at the end and press enter. So we get the value. Now we can use the click and drag method to fill up the values. We can use the values for the columns also. So all the data is there now when we select all, right? So now we can create the chart. So we will select this data and we will say insert and we will say a column chart. So we are having a chart. We will quickly format this chart. So we don't want all these lines. So we will delete the lines and we can give the title for the chart. Then we can also format the chart with the chart design. So like I have shown previously, so we will create a similar type of chart. We can place this chart over here. Okay, and so now we have selected all, so all the years are there. So if we click over here and now select 2021, it will show you only 2021. If we select 2022, it will show you only 2022 or 2023. Now, we don't want people to move this chart around and look at the data. For that, what we can do, select the columns that are having your chart and chart data and right click on them and say hide. So these columns will get hidden, but you can also see that your chart is not showing the data. So if the chart is not showing the data, go to chart design, okay, and go for select data, and in select data hidden and empty cells, click on that and say show data in hidden or empty cells and click on OK. Click on OK again. So you should be able to see whatever data you're selecting here. I'm sure you are amazed by this beautiful technique of creating interactive charts. And I am sure you will leave a lot of your reviews and your ideas in the comments below. And also, please put in any new ideas that you get or you have tried out or would like to try out. I will be most happy to help you out if I can. Yeah, thank you. Have a great day and please do follow us.